Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. So hey guys, as you can see, I am in my screen and the job tab is open here. So today the job update is from PWC company, and here the job role will be associate. As you can see here, the job is from Bangalore location, but here they have mentioned remote. So if you are able to clear the job, you can continue your job from your home only, because it is providing you work from home opportunity. As it is mentioned here, the line of service is tax. So if you are from a commerce background, then it will be a huge benefit for you. Here it is mentioned the management level is associate, and in job description you have to work with Canada clients, okay, and you have to check their taxes and you have to work on their tax. So they have provided all the details here, like keep up to date with developments in area of speciesism, identify and make suggestion for improvements when problems and opportunities arise, build and maintain an internal and external network, uphold the firm code of ethics and business conduct. These are some of the roles and responsibilities which you have to maintain in your day-to-day life. And if you are from MBA background, then it will be a huge benefit for you, and the salary can be up to 8 lakh per annum for the MBA student. Comes to the graduate student, any graduate can apply for this specific role, but if you are from BCom graduation, then you will get the benefit, because this role is for tax role. So if you have the knowledge on accountancy, taxation, so it will be a huge benefit for you. Also, this is mentioned here, the job is a full-time role. So if you want to apply for this role, I will provide you the job link in the video description. You just need to click on the link and you just need to redirect in this page. After that, you need to read everything, and if you are comfortable with the job role, then you need to click on the apply button. Once you click on the apply button, it will ask you for 3 options: autofill with resume, apply manually, and use my last application. And also it is providing you apply with LinkedIn. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can directly sync LinkedIn here and you can apply with LinkedIn. If you don't have any LinkedIn profile, then I will recommend you to select autofill with resume option. Once you select this option, it will redirect you to page, and here you have to provide all the details. Like if you don't have any account, you need to create one account, and if you have any account, then you have to log into the account. Here I have an account in PWC portal, so I am just logging into my account. For demo purpose, I have already applied for this job. So if you are new to this job, you will get one form. You have to fill up the form. So as you can see, I have opened my application, and these are all of my information what I have mentioned in that form before apply to this job. So you have to provide all the details, like your work experience if you have any experience, also your education, your school, university skills, everything, and also you need to attach your resume, okay. And after that, you need to apply for this role, and whenever you are apply to this role, you will get one mail from the company, and if your profile got shortlisted for the role, then you will get an interview call as soon as possible. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today I am signing out. Take care. Bye.